My cables under my adjustable cart is really extreme. So I'm gonna DIY my own cable management box. Take this box from Ikea and do my own cable management box. So let's get started. It's empty. I'm just gonna clean it up with the new surface cleaner I got from Dollar Tree, just to make sure it is clean and ready to go. So this is the Ikea box. And I know it'll fit because this is a large space. So I'm gonna hold here. So I got my kit. So this size should be about right here. This is the size I'm gonna do here, along with the other ones that's gonna fit in here. So I gotta make sure it's gonna go through here. So this is the largest one I have here. I have 7/8 and I have 1 inch. This one is larger to fit here. So I'll use the 1 inch. Ladies, just like I said in utility closet, every woman should have power tools. Okay, see, there's my kit I got from Home Depot some years back. I don't have painter's tape, so I'm just going to use a tape on both sides so it won't crack. Unfortunately, this is the only tape I have, and this is very thin. You put one on this side. And one on the other side. Will it help? I don't know, but I'm gonna try it because I'm afraid it's gonna crack, so I'm gonna go in this way. Move the tape on this side instead of this side because I need this length. I'm gonna use this board. This is the bottom of the desk. And look at this, is solid wood. So I'm gonna put this here so it won't crack with the tape and drill it this way. I'm gonna use a smaller drill first and see if this is strong enough. If not, I will go to our bigger drill. Not strong enough. Got the big boy. I don't want it too strong. See it, guys? Now it's not gonna go through this because this is solid wood, and of course this would not be strong enough. Say with the tape, you see, it didn't crack. to be a little bigger. I need a little bigger. I don't have another tool, so I'm gonna do it like this. It's not perfect like the other one, but so I'm just cleaning it off. I cleaned it out with some power scrub, to make sure it was no more dust and debris. So now these will go in here. I'm not using this for everything here. So this is the part one, which has extremely long cord. Long. So let's see if this one fits. Oh, no problem. All right. See how this cord is really long? So I have to make sure it goes behind here to reach this cord over there. So now guys, I'm basically disconnecting everything, put it through the loop and reconnect it. So I have my LG monitor. I have my cart, which has electrical outlets on top. So that has to be plugged in there, as well as my Cricut. And everything fit. Okay guys, what do you think? Not too bad. It was like a little 2-hour project, but it's cleaner, it's done, it's cheaper. When I looked at Amazon, a box smaller than this was $20, and I already had this bin that was empty, so I figured let's not do DIY it, okay? Let's not waste money. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. Okay, it's your Mooregirl, and I'll see you at the next one. Isn't that better from the first one? Now over here, I just have to get a cover. But look at that, guys. So much cleaner.